As the child of an elder, as well as an elder law attorney, this is perhaps the most difficult question we all face. Driving is autonomy and independence, and none of us wants to give it up. But we all cringe when we see a certain elder behind the wheel. There are a number of different steps you can take. If you have a good enough rapport, you can try and approach your parent or your loved one and say, do you really think that driving is in your best interest right now? What would happen? How would you feel if something bad happened behind the wheel and you were responsible? That's one approach. The other approach is far less direct, and I'll admit it's one that I have used. You can call in your concerns. You can call them into the Department of Transportation. You can call it into local law enforcement. It doesn't have to be by name. It can be anonymous. There can be measures taken where the elder is called in, administered a driving test and a cognitive skills test, and then you are not the bad person saying, I'm taking your license. But ideally, as we all learn from this first wave of the aging crisis, we're going to become a little bit more realistic, and as we age, talk to our family members and say, at age 75, whatever it's going to be, I'm going to stop driving at night, or I'm going to stop driving, and just become more aware of the effects of age and our responses when we're driving.